Hello everyone, I've got a little haul. I went to IKEA in Groningen today and I got some goodies, a little bits of goodies. So I will turn the camera and I will be right back. So here I am again. Look what I got, a little closet. Isn't it pretty? With the little drawers and a big drawer. And what was it called again? Hang on, I'm going to get it. I'm sorry. A moppe. It's called a moppe. So this one was 17.95, and then I got this drawer, and you can see it's a little bigger than the other one. I will place them next to each other. Look, it's deeper, and well, it's got 3 big drawers in there, and I'm going to have some fun decorating them. And it's also a moppe, and this one was 14.95. And well, I'm wondering what these little closets cost in other IKEAs around the world. So please tell me. It's the 3 big drawers or the 6 drawer closet. So the 6 drawer closet is 17.95 euros here, and the 3 drawers closet is 14.95 euros here. So now I will turn the camera again and show you the rest of the little things I got. Oh, hang on a moment. I also got this one this week, and this is for my little sewing machine. You can see I already put some things in here. So these are well, all the fabrics I have, and then you've got little pockets here and a cushion for sticking your needles in, and then a little tray. And I've got these colors already. And my fabric scissors. So I thought this one was pretty. So now that's not one from IKEA. That's from a local supermarket, Aldi, here in Holland. So, well, I will show you the rest of my little things I got. So I'm going to turn the camera again. So here I am again. Well, I needed some more scissors, and I got this package for €1.29. So if you've got a big one, a medium and a small one. I already had this set, but well, I use this one for crafting, and that's being very thick, very well, I needed a new one, and because I had my fabric scissors with my crocheting stuff, I needed a special scissors for only cutting fabric. So, but then for my crocheting, and it doesn't need to be that big, so I chose to use this one for this, and then I can use the original, real, official fabric scissors for my fabric, my big fabric. So I got these, and then I saw some cool tags. I'd never seen them at IKEA, and well, I had to take some home. So look how pretty. and they're real neon colors. And they're not as neon on the camera, I see, as they are in real life. They're really, really neon. Eye-blinding neon. But look at the shapes. You've got these square. I had to think about the word. And these circles are very pretty. And then this big deck, and I got 2. Because one isn't enough. And how much? There are 10 tags in it. And if you see on the back, the big one is 2 and the smaller ones each 4 pieces. So that's pretty. And then close by on the sales rack, they had some more tags, and I thought these were very cool, and I think they are going to I don't know how you say it, but they're going to get them out of their assortment. So I think they're not available anymore very soon, because these were on clearance for only 50 cents. Look. And you've got 3 big tags, and well, there are 6 in here, so that's 2 of each color, and only 50 cents. So I thought it was very cool to get these, and also very, very neon. Look how neon they are. Well, I didn't get 1. I got 4. 4 pieces. So, that was my little help from IKEA and from the Aldi. So, thank you very, very much for watching, and enjoy creating, because I will. Have a very, very nice day, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.